Hello team, welcome to QPoint. In previous class we will discuss about a paragraph tag in a HTML. In today's video we will discuss about a head tag in a HTML. The head tag in a HTML is also called as a container tag because it is consist of a both opening tag and a closing tag, and it is used to define a head portion of the document which contains the information related to the document. Here this is a definition of a head tag. Next, it is consist of a various elements for a different purpose. For example, title element, style element, meta element, link element, script element, and a base element. We will discuss these elements with an example. Here, first one is a title element. The title element is used to define the title of the document. Here we are given a document as a title. Save this file and open it in a web browser. Here we got a document as a title. If you want to change this title, then we should write here as a QPoint. I want to change the title to QPoint. Then so I have written a QPoint. Save this. Here title is a changed from a document to QPoint. And one document can have only one title. Next is a style tag. The style element is used to style the HTML page. The style element can have a CSS properties for that HTML page only. If you want to apply a CSS for a multiple pages, then we should use a separate CSS file. For that I am using a style tag. Okay. Here I am taking one paragraph element. I am giving this is paragraph. Save this. Here we got this is a paragraph. This is a black in color. If you want to change this color, then we should go for a style and give a P, then give a color. Here I am giving a aqua. Save this. Here we got this is a paragraph with the aqua color. In this, P is a selector, color is a property, aqua is a value. This is about the style tag in a HTML. Next is a link element in a HTML. The link element is used to link an external style sheet to your web page. So I will show this example. We are adding an external style sheet here. So I am deleting this. For that we should go for a new file. Here I am creating the CSS file, that is style.css. Then you enter. Here I created the style.css. We have to link this file to this HTML file. For that I am giving a link. Relation, that is style sheet and h reference is equals to style.css. This is a link tag. If you want to change this paragraph color, then we should go for a P open braces, then go for color. I want to change the color to blue. I changed here, then save this, open here. This is paragraph, it is changed to the blue. In this, REL means relation, it will indicates that it is a style sheet, and H reference will indicates the path to that external file. This is about a link tag in a HTML. Next is a meta tag or meta element. The meta element is used to specify the character set, then page description, keywords, authors, and other metadata on the web page. Next, the metadata is mainly used by the browsers, servers, search engines, and other web services to rank their website. Here, save this. In web browser, we will not get any data related to the meta element. If you want to get that information, then right click here, click on a view page source. Here we will get the data related to the meta. This is all about the meta. Next is a base element. The HTML base element is used to specify the base URL and a base target for all the relative URLs in the page. In this example, the base URL is set to https qpoint.com. So the relative URLs in a anchor tag will be resolved based on this base URL. Save this, open here. Now, if you click on the tutorial, it will point to this page, that is https qpoint.com. For every, if you mention this https qpoint.com in a base URL, in relative URL you can only mention, that is tutorial. Here you can only mention these things. Okay, it should always be, the base URL is always written in a head tag, and you can have only one base tag for a one document. If there are multiple base tags, only the first one will be considered. This is all about a base element in a HTML. Next is a script element. The script element here, the script. Here, the script element is used to add an external JavaScript file to the current page. Okay, we will discuss about CSS and JavaScript in the next upcoming classes. This is all about a head tag in a HTML. In next tutorial, we will discuss about a span tag. If you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Java full stack, you can visit our website, follow our website, that is qpoint.com. Thank you.